leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna get your gold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back.